Glass Animals just broke a Mariah Carey record. The indie group's single Heat Waves has hit No. 1 on Billboard's Hot 100, climbing to the top during 59 weeks on the chart. That broke Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You record of 35 weeks in December 2019, according to Billboard. The British band is made up of singer, songwriter, and producer Dave Bailey, along with Drew McFarlane, Joe Seward and Ed Erwin-Singer. Heat Waves is their most successful single so far and is featured in their third studio album, Dreamland, which was released in June 2020. The song is a popular one on TikTok.